down is the problem for me. Okay, I open the hand together, I take in the knee, diagonal. When I take in the knee, I take in the knee from the shoulder, diagonal from the shoulder, but up. If you take down, he come. If you, I do it this, look what's happening in the hips, hips up. Come, if you want to come, it's the problem. Now, boom, I kick. After kick, if you want to run, is okay. If you want to stand up after kick, it's not okay. Everybody understand? So that please, I want to be sure. Thank you. Again, this hand open, back. Hand is here, is the hand of the job, just stop. If you hand for here, is okay, no problem, I push. But I need punch in push. In the leg, right hand, right leg, diagonal up, hips up, leg is here, kicking, after kick, maybe I going, maybe I do it